Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to put Gmail in Notion. This is super easy. So if you have whatever designs that you have and you actually want to put Gmail within the Notion, this is easy. All you really have to do, guys, is to ensure that you connect your Gmail into Notion first, and then you can add it wherever you actually want. So let me show you how you can find those connectors. So you want to go into your settings, guys, and you want to go to where it says connectors on the left hand side, and here you will find, for example, your Gmail or your Google Drive. You can find it there, and under this section you will be able to find some connections. However, if you want to add more connectors, such as like Google, such as the Gmail, you want to click on connections on the upper section under your account, and this is where you will be able to find some connectors here. So if you want, you can simply go ahead and click on see all, or you can simply click on explore, and you will be able to see a ton of different connectors. So here's, for example, the Gmail. You can simply click on it, and once you click on this, you will be able to actually add it. However, keep in mind that in order to add connectors, you will need to upgrade your account, and this is going to require you to pay a monthly fee. So you'll definitely need to upgrade your account so that you can get Notion. So you have to upgrade to, for example, Notion Business, and so that you're able to actually add, for example, your Gmail, your Google Drive, GitHub, and all of this stuff. Even Microsoft Teams, Slack, Jira, you can add any one of these connectors in. And that's going to allow you to basically put Gmail in your Notion page when you want to do so, right? Now, you may be wonder, okay, once I have that account, how can I use or put Gmail in my Notion page? It is very easy. So once you're on any page that you need and you upgrade to that, you want to go ahead and type the forward slash and type the word embed. And here you will start to see all of those applications show up here. So you'll be able to find your Gmail in the list as well. So you can easily go ahead and connect to it as well. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.